gonna be so bad. They give us hope.
I know.
And then they destroy us.
Now hold on to something.
Okay. Hang on.
Please get out of here, please.
Okay, thank God. Thought it wasn't gonna start for a sec. Oh!
I told you.
Oh my God. It's dragging it down. Ooh!
Oh shit. Yo, what?
It destroyed the sails. What?
Way to make it worse, dude. What the hell?
No! No! Oh! Oh, dude! Yes! Alright, well, he wasn't in the air, but he's in the water. He's taking him down! Down, down!
Fucking knew it. I fucking...
This is why I stayed silent. Because I knew it was coming, but I didn't want to say anything.
Oh my god! So now we're more screwed.
Get up there. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. You got it. Look. Knew it. I knew that damn shark was gonna come, bro. I knew that shark was not gonna let it be easy. Holy shit. That shark is taking him under, bro. Bro, this shark just took... Bro, this shark just literally just flipped his whole helicopter, bro.
Okay, he's back in. That's good. That's a good sign. What's gonna happen? Something's gonna happen. Ah! Oh. Okay. Yikes. Oh, you know, that's extreme. He took the whole helicopter down? Oh my gosh.
That shark is angry. No way! Oh no. Oh, that's gonna be weird. Oh! Chopper hitting the water! Duck! Oh no! Amazing that nobody got nicked with part of a blade.
Oh my god!
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god! Jaws don't give a f.
That thing is massive.
Yes. Oh, and the helicopter blade. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bad to worse.
Oh my god, I cannot believe that.
Oh, Jesus, Larry, huh? Come on, let's just forget it. He won't listen. It's obvious the man has made up his mind.
You bet your life I've made up my mind. But I'm telling you and I'm telling everybody at this table that that's a shark. And I know what a shark looks like because I've seen one up close. And you better do something about this one because I don't intend to go through that hell again.